Hi all, Renee here. I am here today in a lovely hotel room. Sorry for the dull background and bad lighting. We are on vacation. I am here in Utah at the Close to My Heart convention, but it is Jolly July, so I wanted to bring you an update. It's day 10, so I thought it'd be a good day to do an update and show you what I've gotten done. As you may have seen before, here is my little plans, looking a little more worse for wear. But I'll just go ahead and show you the things that I got done. The day 1 and day 2 were from this pattern from Cross Country Stitching from the December 2006 magazine. And what I'm doing is, let me see if I can show you. I am taking the nativity scene and this scene here with the little angel, and I'm making just those two pieces. I'm going to make ornaments out of those two. So let me show you. The nativity, I completely finished stitching the nativity. So there's that. And before I did all the back stitching, it was like, wow, this looks kind of boring. But once I did all the back stitching, it really made it pop. So there's that. The angel, unfortunately, I didn't get a lot done on the angel. I was having some lighting issues that day, and for some reason I just couldn't do these stitches very quickly. So this is just the wing of the angel, or part of the wing, so you can see the angel there. And so there's what I got done so far. So if I get some other ones done quicker, I will pick this one back up and work on that one. That's my plan anyway. So then on, I'm sorry, I'm looking down at my paper. Then on July 3rd, I worked on the Country Crafts little house, and that is from Stony Creek, October 2005. And I actually have two, this is the 2005 Village Ornament Series, and I'm doing two of them. This is the Country Crafts. Again, I didn't get a whole bunch done on this one. And on this one, I didn't get too much done because we were pulling out the next morning on the 4th of July. We were leaving, and so I had a lot of packing and getting the house ready and all that good stuff. So I'll get back to that one. Then for July 4th through July 8th, I was using this is the Cross Country Stitching December 2001 magazine, and unfortunately I didn't get all of this so you could see the other pieces. I am making these two pieces, and that one. So what I got done, and two of them I finished completely, and this cute little Merry Christmas, and hopefully that gets focused there for you. These are supposed to be little candle rings, so like you do them like this and then you wrap them around a candle. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make them into little ornaments, and I haven't exactly figured out how I'm going to do that yet. So, but when I finish them, I'll bring them back and show them to you. So that was one, and then here was the second one. So this was July 5th. Then the next one was July 6th. We were on the road on the 4th and the 5th. That's why I got so much done, because my husband was driving, I was riding. But I got a lot of stitching done while we were driving. So then on the 6th is when we pulled into Colorado and spent a few days there. So I didn't get as much stitching done. But this is the next one that I was working on. It's originally designed to be a soap holder or a soap dispenser, like an insert. And I'm sorry if you can hear vacuuming. It sounds like housekeeping is here. So I got some of the leaves done, part of the border on the bottom. This is the beginning of a wing. This is actually going to be a cute little angel, and she'll be holding a patchwork heart. There'll be more of the leaves over here, and then it'll say Merry Christmas. And unfortunately, all I can show you, because I didn't make a complete copy of my working copy, it's this right here. So, okay, so that's what I got done with that. Then I almost finished this one. This is turning out so cute, and I don't think you can see it on the camera. I actually had these leaves done, and I was I think two rows off. So I had to tear them all out. The frog appeared. So I had to tear those out. So I didn't finish this one completely. So I'll probably go back and get this one done. And then I have some back stitching to do, but it won't be much and it'll be finished. And I love this scroll work. Isn't that pretty? I love the way that came out. Then the next one I did, and this one I did on Monday the 8th. This dove was so hard. It's two different colors of cream, and it was so difficult to see, but I think it turned out really cute. I still have a few extra back stitching to still do on it on the leaves. They're not quite finished yet, and then the whole thing will be done. Then yesterday I started these guys. This is from Stony Creek, and this is my oldest pattern. This is from the July-August 1993, excuse me, 1993 magazine. Yesterday I worked on this one, which is called Christmas Goodie Jar. Today I've been working on the kitty, and then tomorrow I'll work on this little snowman. So here is the jar so far. I didn't get a whole bunch done. We were driving, but these branches here were so difficult. They're 3 different colors. I forgot that about Stony Creek. Their stuff is beautiful, but it's like so hard to work on if you don't have just like perfect lighting. And I do have to wear readers, but I do wish maybe I had like magnifiers, one of those magnifiers. I think that might make it easier. So there's that one. And then this afternoon, I've been working on the kitty. I probably won't get any more done on this today because we have an event tonight for the convention. But here's the start of the kitty. He's really looking so cute. There are so many color changes, but I think that really makes things look so much better when, I should probably look at the camera. That makes things look so much better when you're doing these types of projects. Now this is 18 count Aida, so I would say if you're a beginner, maybe use 14 count, or maybe even a larger if you can get it, because it gets really difficult to see all those little stitches. And I don't know if you can see on his nose, let me see if I can get it to focus on his nose. Come on, focus. Maybe if I get out of the picture, it'll focus for you. Maybe not. Anyway, on his nose, there are half stitches. Half stitches on 18 count, that ain't no joke. That was kind of crazy. It took me a while. So, but that is everything that I have for today. I will check back in with you probably around the 20th or the 21st, and let you know how much further I've gotten on my plans. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this, and it's been really fun to do something new every day. It's been hard in a couple times because I've wanted to continue working on one that I really liked, but I just have to tell myself, nope, you got to start a new one each day, and then you can go back and work on others later. So I hope you're all having a great day. I hope your Jolly July is going well. If you are participating in Jolly July, leave me a link down below to your Instagram, or if you have a Facebook page, or if you're doing videos, if you're doing a Flosstube, go ahead and leave links down there because I'd love to come see what you're working on. If you don't have any of those, just tell me down below what you're working on. I'd love to hear about it. And I hope you're all doing well, and I will talk to you later. Bye.